sinasabi ng mathbook sa kapwa niya mathbook. Huwag mo akong guluhin, may mga sarili din akong problema. Magandang araw! Ako nga pala, si Teacher Mavic. Aking ituturo ngayon ang tungkol sa special products of polynomials. May 4 na uri ang special product of polynomial. Una, square of binomial. Pangalawa, square of trinomial. Pangatlo, product of sum and difference of two binomial. At ang huli ay cube of a binomial. Ngayon, ating talakayin muna kung ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng polynomial. Polynomial is an expression consisting of variables, coefficients, and constants that involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-adjective integer exponents of variables. Ano nga ba ang variable? Variable is a symbol for a number that we do not know yet. Ito yung mga letra na hinahalili natin sa isang expression. Magamit tayo from letter A to Z. It's coefficient. Coefficient is a number multiplied to a variable. Ito naman yung mga numerong makikita natin sa tabi ng variable sa isang expression. Exponent. Exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. Yung constant naman pala ay yun yung number na walang kasamang kahit na anong variable na kadalasang makikita natin sa dulo ng isang expression. Example, we have 2x squared plus 7. Si 2 ang ating coefficient, si x ang ating variable, ito na maliit naman ang ating exponent at si 7 ang constant. Meron din tayong tinatawag na degrees of polynomial. Ang una ay in your expression, power of 1. Example, 7x plus y. Ang kanyang highest exponent ay 1. Next is quadratic expression, power of 2. Highest exponent is 2. Example, 2x squared plus y. Ang huli ay cubic expression, power of 3. 4x cubed plus 2. Highest exponent naman ay 3. Dahil alam niyo na ang ibang tungkol sa polynomial, punta na tayo sa ating topic, ang special products of polynomials. Ang una ay ang square of a binomial. Pag sinabi ulit na binomial, very good. 2 terms. Ano naman yung square? Raised to the power of 2. Square of a binomial. Meron tayong 3 steps para makuha ang special product of square of a binomial. So we have quantity x plus y squared. Ang unang step ay square the first term. Ang ating first term ay ang x. So x times x is equal to x squared. Pangalawang step, twice the product of the first and the last term. Ang ating first term ay ang x at ang ating last term naman ay ang y. So x times y times 2 is equal to 2xy. At ang huling step ay square the last term. Ang ating last term ay ang y. So y times y is equal to y squared. Kaya naman, ang special product of a square of a binomial ay quantity x plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Paano naman kung subtraction ang ginamit na operation? So we have quantity x minus y squared. Parehas pa rin yung steps na gagamitin. Una, square the first term. So x times x is equal to x squared. Pangalawa, twice the product of the first and the last term. Pero dito magiging negative ang ating last term. So we have x times negative y times 2 is equal to negative 2xy. At ang huling step ay square the last term. Since negative ang ating last term, ang square niya ay positive. So negative y times negative y is equal to y squared. Ngayon, dumako naman tayo sa isang halimbawa. We have quantity a plus 4 squared. First step, square the first term. Ang ating first term ay a, so a times a is equal to a squared. Second step, twice the product of the first and the last term. Ang ating first term ay ang A at ang ating last term ay 4. So, A times 4 times 2 is equal to A. At ang ating last step ay square the last term. Ang last term ay 4, so 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Kaya naman, ang special product ng quantity A plus 4 squared ay A squared plus 8A plus 16. Ito pa ang isang halimbawa kung saan subtraction ang ginamit na operation. We have quantity B minus 3 squared. So, first step is to square the first term. So, B times B is equal to B squared. Second step, twice the product of the first and the last term. So, B multiplied by negative 3 times 2 is equal to negative 6B. Last step, square the last term. Our last term ay negative 3. So, negative 3 times negative 3 ay positive 9. Kaya naman, ang special product ng quantity B minus 3 squared ay B squared minus 6B plus 9. Ang pangalawang special products of a polynomial ay square of a trinomial. Ano ulit yung trinomial? Tama, 3 terms. At ang square naman ay raised to the power of 2. Square of a trinomial. We have quantity x plus y plus z squared. So, meron tayong 4 na steps para makuha ang special product of square of a trinomial. Una, sum of the squares of the first, second, and the last term. Ang ating first term ay ang x, second term ay y, at ang last term naman ay ang z. Pag kinuha natin ang square nila, magkakaroon tayo ng x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Pangalawa, twice the product of the first and the second term. Ang ating first term ay ang x at ang second term naman ay y. So, 2 times x times y is equal to 2xy. Pangatlo, twice the product of the first and the last term. Ang ating first term ay x at ang ating namang last term ay ang z. So, 2 times x times z is equals to 2xz. At ang huling step, twice the product of the second and the last term. Ang ating second term ay ang y, ang ating last term ay z. So, 2 times y times z is equal to 2yz. Kaya naman, ang special product ng quantity x plus y plus z squared ay x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2xy plus 2xz plus 2yz. Ngayon, ilapat naman natin siya sa isang halimbawa. We have quantity A plus C plus 3 squared. Paano natin hahanapin ang special product niya? First step is get the sum of the squares of the first, second, and the last term. So we have A times A is simply equal to A squared. C times C is equal to C squared. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Kaya naman, ang ating first step ay A squared plus C squared plus 9. Second, 2 times A times C is equal to 2AC. 2 times A times 3 is equal to 6A ang third step. At ang last ay 2 times C times 3 is equal to 6C. Ngayon, kailangan natin siyang i-arrange from highest exponent down to the constant. Kaya naman, ang ating answer ay A squared plus C squared plus 2AC plus 6A plus 6C plus 9. Paano naman kung may subtraction na operation na ginamit? Parehas na steps pa rin ang gagamitin natin. We have quantity 2 minus x plus a squared. So, first step, get the sum of the squares of the 3 terms for the first, second, and the last term. We have 2 times 2 is 4, negative x times negative x is positive x squared, and a times a is equals to a squared. So, ang first step ay 4 plus ax squared plus a squared. Next, 2 times 2 times negative x is equal to negative 4x. Next, 2 times negative x plus 4a is equal to negative 2ax. At ang huli, 2 times 2 times a is equal to 4a. Again, huwag ulit kalimutang i-arrange according sa kanilang mga exponent. Kaya naman, ang final answer ay a squared plus x squared minus 2ax minus 4x plus 4a plus 4. Ang pangatlong special product of polynomials ay product of sum and difference of two binomials. Ulit, ano nga ba ang binomial? Tama, two terms. Product of sum and difference of two binomials. We have quantity x plus y multiplied by quantity x minus y. Madali lang ang step. Difference of the square of the terms. So we have x times x is x squared, y times y is y squared. Since nang nasa step ay difference, ang gagamitin na operation ay subtraction. So, ang special product ng sum and difference of two binomials ay x squared minus y squared. Ngayon naman, subukan natin sa isang halimbawa, ang the product of sum and difference of two binomials. We have quantity a plus 3 multiplied by quantity a minus 3. A times a is equal to a squared. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Ang gagamitin na operation ay subtraction. Kaya naman, we have a squared minus 9. Pangalawang halimbawa, negative 2 plus 3x multiplied by negative 2 minus 3x. So, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. 3x times 3x ay positive 9x squared. Ang gagamitin na operation ay subtraction. Kaya naman, ang answer ay 4 minus 9x squared. Huling special products of polynomial ay cube of a binomial. Ano ulit ang binomial? Tumpak, 2 terms, at ang cube naman ay raised to the power of 3. Cube of a binomial. Paano nga ba natin kunin ang cube of a binomial? Ang special products ito. Now, we have quantity x plus y cube. Meron tayong tatlong steps. Find the cube of the first and the second term. Ang ating first term ay ang x at ang second term ay y. Ang cube ng x ay x cube, ang cube naman ng y ay y cube. Pangalawa, 3 times the product of the square of the first term and the second term. Now, we need to get the square of the first term first. Ano nga ba ang first term natin? X. So, x squared times y times 3. Kaya naman ang sagot ay 3x squared y. At ang huli ay 3 times the product of the first term and the square of the second term. Ang ating second term ay y. Kaya naman, square of y is y squared multiplied by 3 times x. So, we have 3x y squared. Kaya ang special product ng cube of a binomial natin ay 3x cubed plus y cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3x y squared. Ngayon naman, bukan natin sa isang halimbawa. We have quantity 2x plus y cubed. Ano ulit ang first step? Get the cube of the first and the second term. So, we have the cube of the 2x is 8x cubed. Paano? 2x times 2x times 2x. And the cube of y is y cubed. Paano? Y times y times y is y cubed. Second step, 3 times 2x squared times y is equal to 12x squared y. At ang huling step naman ay 3 times 2x times y squared is equals to 6xy squared. Kaya naman, ang special product ay 8x cubed plus y cubed plus 12x squared y plus 6xy squared. At dyan nagtatapos ang ating pag-aaral. Sulong edukalidad para sa bayan, para sa bata. Maging malusog sa lahat ng oras. Sana ay may mga natutunan kayo. Maraming salamat. Ako, si Teacher Mavi, nagpapaalala na dapat sa lahat ng oras, sabay-sabay tayong mag-isip na yan.